Just wow! This is a 6-bedroom, fully furnished home here at the heart of Las Piñas. Very affordable yet luxurious finish. So join me as I tour you around because this is near Metro Manila and Airport. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepita Sabido for another premium house tour, and for today, fully furnished home ang ipapakita ko sa inyo na move-in ready anytime. Yes, because what you see in this house tour video is the actual turnover including all the furnitures and fixtures. So, continue watching. This unit has a lot area of 186 square meters and a floor area of 304 square meters. And here's our provision for spacious 2 SUV size car garage. On this side, we have an access gate going to your service area, especially if you're done with your grocery shopping. Mataas din ang clearance natin, kaya naman kung van or family type na vehicle, pasok na pasok din yan dito sa carport space natin. We have here an elevated porch, a pocket garden, and what I like about this unit, naka-smart lock system na ang main door natin. And upon entering the unit, you will be welcomed by this spacious foyer. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-layout ng ground floor, well-designed ang ating interior, and what I like about this unit is naka-double high ceiling na tayo with modern chandelier. Yes, sa living area, meron ka na ring 65-inch smart TV. Included in the package is this high-quality 8-seater sintered stone dining set, and fully carpeted na rin ang ating living and dining area. Onto your formal kitchen, you have here a soft-close cabinet, built-in microwave and oven, and pantry area, 3-burner cooktop with range hood, and 23 cubic side-by-side half-a-lay refrigerator. And a water purifier with hot, normal, and cold water by Nanotech. O diba, wala ka nang iisipin at lilipatan mo na lang talaga to. The sliding door will now lead you to your service area and your informal kitchen. With breakfast nook and chairs, additional pantry cabinet, of course, sink for washing the dishes, an additional sink for your laundry area. And kasama na rin dyan ang ating front-load inverter Samsung brand na washer and dryer. May water tank ka na rin and centralized water heater for all the toilet and bath. Of course, kasama na dyan ang ating maids room with their own toilet and bath na complete finish na rin. And this gate will now lead you to your lanai. By the way, our developer uses a high-grade aluminum materials for all windows, sliding doors, and screen. And of course, modern steel railing for the family area, stairs, and balcony. And going back to our ground floor space, alam mo bang wala ka na rin iisipin kasi kasama na rin dyan ang 6 CCTV camera for the whole unit with 2 32-inch TV monitors. Isa sa kitchen and isa sa master's bed. And here's sa ground floor, may kasama na rin tayong guest room na may own toilet and bath. By the way, this unit includes 5 brand new smart air conditioning